The following message is transmitted at the request of the Minneapolis Police Department. At 3 p.m. there have been many reports that objects and debris were floating in the sky for an unknown reason. At this time it is recommended to evacuate the area immediately. Bring non-perishable food, water, and a first aid kit that will last you for 14 days. This is KSTP-TV. We will continue serving the Minneapolis area. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Minnesota State Police Department. At 4 p.m., it was confirmed that the state of Minnesota is slowly turning upside down. All residents in a 500 miles radius of the state are strongly encouraged to evacuate. When evacuating, bring non-perishable food, water, and medical supplies. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 5 p.m. it has been confirmed that the United States is turning upside down. It is confirmed that this will spread across the entire North American continent in the next 3 to 4 hours. If you are not in the Minneapolis area, you should tune to stations providing news and information on this life-threatening situation. We will continue to serve the Minneapolis, Minnesota area to provide news and information. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government in conjunction with the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 6:36 p.m. there have been millions of reports of cities turning upside down in Canada and Mexico. This is a life-threatening situation and should not be ignored. This is KDVR-TV. We will continue serving the Denver area for information on this dangerous situation. The president or his representative will send over a message on the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government in conjunction with the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 3:45 a.m., there have been more than 491 million reports of people dying and atoms floating in the air worldwide. The cause of this is due to the universe turning upside down. The president will now deliver a message over the emergency alert system. The emergency alert system will now cease transmission. We will play the national anthem for the final time.